Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to this channel. And today I would like to just you about Nollywood actor Goriola Hassan. Ogun State House of Assembly has ordered the arrest of Nollywood actor Goriola Hassan, who refused to honor three invitations for allegedly parading himself as the Olu of Imobi in Ijebu East local government area of the state. The Speaker, Olakunle Oluomo, during plenary on Thursday, directed security agencies to arrest and present Hassan to the Assembly within 14 days of the passage of the Assembly's resolution on Thursday in Abeokuta. The resolution was reached during the presentation of the reports of the House Committee on Local Governments and Chieftaincy Affairs to the Assembly submitted by Chairman Bolanle Ajayi. Mrs. Ajayi later moved the motion for its adoption, which was seconded by Ganiyu Oyedeji and supported by all the lawmakers through a voice vote presided over by the Speaker, Olakunle Oluomo. According to the committee's observations, Mr. Hassan had converted a government building to private use and disobeyed orders to stop parading himself as the Olu of Imobi. The committee also observed that Mr. Hassan's activities had been causing tension that could lead to a serious crisis in the community if he is not stopped. The committee affirmed that the Onitasin of Itasin remains the only traditional ruler and recognized authority in Imobi land. The committee directed that the community dispensing house at Fotedo, which Mr. Hassan earlier converted to private use, to be taken over by the community. The committee also recommended in its report that Mr. Hassan should be declared wanted, arrested, and handed over to security agencies for presentation to the Assembly. The Assembly, in its resolution, also enjoined the Ministry of Local Governments and Chieftaincies Affairs to take necessary steps to ensure that Mr. Hassan stops parading himself as Olu of Imobi. The committee's report reads in part. It will be recalled that the Assembly had earlier extended three separate invitations to Mr. Goriola on August 10, August 17, and September 2. Respectively, he failed to appear to respond to allegations leveled against him by members of the Imobi Descendants Union, Imobi Ijebu Development Associations, the baales of the 36 villages in Imobi, at the instance of the lawmakers, NAN. Well guys, there you have it. Ogun Assembly orders arrest of Nollywood actor Goriola Hassan for parading himself as Monarch. Thank you all for listening to that, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comments in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.